Hello there, this is Suryansh from wholesale.io, and in this video I will demonstrate how to use wholesale P2P network tunneling software on iOS. For the sake of this video, I am using a Mac and an iPad, but the process is similar for Windows, Linux and iPhone. Also, to run wholesale you need Node.js version 16 or above. So first make sure you have Node.js installed and the version is equal to or above Node 16. We can check this by running the following command in the terminal. Open terminal and type node-v. This will give you the version of your Node.js. If you get no output or the Node version is less than 16, you can install the latest Node using Node version manager. Open Safari and search for Node version manager. The first link from GitHub is what we need. Okay, scroll down and copy the first command here. Paste and run it. I have NVM already installed, so it did not take a lot of time. Now copy this second command, export NVM dir, and run it again in your terminal. Okay, NVM is now installed. Now we can install Node.js version 20 using NVM. So type nvm install 20. Okay, so I have Node.js 20 already installed, so it is telling me that Node is already installed. For you, the process will show a progress bar and it will take some time. Now to switch to Node.js version 20, I'll type nvm use 20. Okay, now my terminal is using Node version 20. Now we can install wholesale package using npm I wholesale-g. Let us wait for the installation to complete. If you are on Linux, make sure you are running the command with sudo npm I wholesale-g. Okay, now let's check if wholesale is successfully installed and running. Type wholesale --version. Okay, it's installed. Now we can use wholesale to expose running services on the network. The service can be anything: a web server, a LAN game, a VNC connection, or anything. Everything is supported as long as it is TCP. Future versions of wholesale will come with UDP support as well. For this example, I will demonstrate how to use wholesale with a web server. I have a PHP server hosting my portfolio on localhost 5000. You can run a XAMPP, WAMP or VS Code live server. Okay. Now over to Safari. This is what I get, my portfolio. Now we will expose it using wholesale and then access it through wholesale key on iOS. For this, open your terminal and type wholesale -- live 5000 -- host localhost. Make sure the port and host are correctly set. For example, my PHP server here is running on localhost 5000 and that is what I'm using here. Press enter. This will give you a key. Copy this key as you will need it later on iOS for establishing a connection. Now on your iOS device, install Wholesale Go from the App Store, or if you are on the beta version, use TestFlight. Once it's installed, open the app and paste the key you got from previous step and click on connect. This will establish a connection to my server running on my Mac. On iOS, it is running on port 5000 on localhost. Now open the app again and allow in the notification that pops up. This notification is for granting access to wholesale to let it use your local network. Now open Safari again and you will see that the website is running and accessible on localhost 5000. This way you can use wholesale for establishing web servers, creating VNC clients, or even live server from VS Code. If it were a live server, you would have seen changes in real time. Thank you.